Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a turmeric face mask. Turmeric is actually a spice, but it's one of those spices that are like a miracle, you know. It just does and fixes everything. So a turmeric mask will help brighten your face. It will help with the wrinkles, it will help with redness, it will help with the facial hair, it will help tighten everything. And it's one of my favorite masks, so I thought I would share with you guys today. Why not? But before we get started, there are some of the things that we need to keep in mind. Turmeric powder is very yellow and sometimes it can be used as a dye, so it stains everything. Yeah, whereas whatever shade you don't care about, and make sure the nails are not so important to you. Make sure they are not so white, make sure they are not so clear, as they might turn yellow. Yeah, sometimes you can get it off, sometimes you cannot, so please make sure you keep that in mind. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, these are some of the things that we're gonna need. First, you grab a small clear bowl like this, a tablespoon, some turmeric powder. I got this from a local store, so you can get this like here. Where then our flour, and then coconut milk, but you can use almond milk if you want. For me, I prefer coconut milk. And then we have monoitic tahid, vanilla oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. So yeah, so we're gonna start up with the flour, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of this. 2 tablespoons of this. Then your turmeric powder, and we're gonna do 1 tablespoon for turmeric powder. Now I'm gonna grab the vanilla oil, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla oil. One tablespoon of our vanilla oil. Yeah. And then we're gonna add as much milk as we think we need. So I'm gonna start off with 3 tablespoons. My milk, my coconut milk, like this. So we mix this all together and make sure it's creamy enough and looks exactly the way we want it. And so now this is how our mask looks like. It's creamy. I don't know if you can see this, guys. It's creamy and we're good to go. So now that our mask is completely made, we're gonna go ahead and apply it. So I have my small gloves right here. I wear this because I don't want anything to go on my fingers, my hands. So I first wear my gloves like this. So we're gonna make sure we apply this all over our face. So now we're gonna go ahead and apply it, guys. First, we need to make sure our hair is in one place. So we're gonna tie it up right here. Yeah, I use this plastic bag, like it's good, it helps me. So we apply it all over. So a little bit about this turmeric mask, guys. The turmeric face mask is very popular in India. A lot of brides before their wedding ceremony will put on a turmeric face mask to relax and to bring out the beautiful glowing skin. Yeah, reduce any redness, any acne, any rashes. So is very popular in India as a pre-wedding face mask. Yeah. So we apply it all over. It feels good, it's so calming, like so soothing, so I like this, yeah. You wanna make sure you don't get it on your eyebrows. It's also gonna help with any type of facial hair. Removing it is good, removing your eyebrows is not. And I like that color as well. So good. Yeah. So now guys, we remove our gloves and then I let it sit for 20 minutes, which means I have 20 minutes to scare anybody in the house. Yeah, and then we're gonna wash it off after that. So see you guys. Sorry for the serious face guys, I just literally can't smile. So now that our mask is really dry, as you can see, it's pretty good, and you know, so we're gonna go ahead and remove it. Yeah, wash it off. So we're gonna need a towel right here. Yeah. So now I'm start to wash it off with a lukewarm water. Yeah. After this, if your face is still yellow, guys, don't freak out. Don't. So I'm gonna use my milk after with a cotton pad, and it helps me to remove it. And so now my face feels so clean and smooth, guys. Look at it. I love it. So guys, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you liked that video. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.